All right, good morning, guys. I'm back at Tyndall Bridge. I've got live shrimp. I'm gonna try and catch some mangrove snappers to eat. I'm gonna get over to the bridge. I'm gonna rig these rods up and get started and get back with you. Got him. Feels like maybe mangrove. Yep, little baby mangrove. All right, broke the ice. There we go, little bitty guy. Don't even know how he got the hook in his mouth. There we go, that's better. That might be keeper mangrove. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a silver trout. A white trout, I mean. Oh, crap. Well. There goes that bait. That would have made a good bait. Another little mangrove. Jeez, these are tiny. There we go. All right, there's a keeper mangrove. Jeez, finally. It's a nice chunk. Oh yeah, 11 inches, that's a decent keeper. Sweet. There we go. There we go. Oh, well, that's all right. I'll take it. Looks like another keeper. Golly, he swallowed. Oh, gosh, dang it. How did he freaking get my finger in there? All right. Bit by mangrove. That freaking hurt. Oh yeah, he's over 10. God dang it, and I got to tie on a new hook. Okay, yeah, there we go. Woo! That's a nice mangrove. Wow. See how long this guy is. Wow, that is a fatty. Look at that. "13 inches. Nice.